Hello everyone, my name is Monisi and today I'm going to be giving this vintage magazine rack a gorgeous makeover. My mom found this at a thrift store a very long time ago and just never got around to fixing it, so she wanted to gift it to my brother for his office makeover. So this is a surprise for him and I'm excited to show him, but stay tuned for the results. After wiping down the furniture with some Dawn dish soap and water, I used some CitriStrip on the spindles and I sanded down lightly the areas where I knew I was going to paint and stain. That detailing in the middle is surprisingly made of wood. I expected it to be made of metal, but it's wood. So I went with some Poly+Stain over that detailing and over the spindles. And I really am so glad that I did this because it just really brought out the beautiful dark wood finish that this piece has. I am using Dixie Belle's collard greens for the areas that I did not stain, and I'm just using a very small paintbrush to go around the spindles and the detailing. I am using Rub and Buff in Antique Gold to go over this detailing in the front, and I actually used it on the spindles as well, which you'll see in the end result. I found this antique finishing wax and I really wanted to try it since this is more of a vintage piece for my brother, and so what I did was I just brushed on some of the wax, and then when I was satisfied with the amount I kind of rubbed it off with a cloth, and I thought it looked really nice. The end result I was very happy with. Ang bahigo mo daw.